Hi, this is Simon Schweigert from the Institute of Health and Management in Australia. We're coming to Sri Lanka in June and we'll be meeting with nurses all over Sri Lanka, talking to them about nursing registration in Australia, as well as employment opportunities and how they can move their career to the next level in Australia as a registered nurse. We'll be in Colombo on the 21st and we'll be in Kandy on the 22nd of June, and then we'll also be at the International Education Fair on the 28th and 29th of June as well. So please come and join us and talk to us about nursing registration, about pathways to registration in Australia, as well as pathways to employment. Now, many of you probably have nursing friends and contacts from back in your nursing colleges or people you've got to know. Please forward them with this video, and then they can also come and join. They might send their relatives along to try and learn more about it. So they might be working in the UK, might be working in Ireland, the US, Canada, Singapore. Any one of those countries have really great pathways for Sri Lankan trained nurses who are registered in different countries to then come and take up nursing registration in Australia. So again, we're coming to Sri Lanka on the 21st in Colombo, 22nd in Kandy, and then the 28th and 29th of June at the International Education Fair. Pass this video on to your friends and family, and then they can also share the information. Come along to one of our seminars and forums, and we'd love to see you on the day.